Hi, this is a first video about how to use Microsoft Project for project planning. So first of all, we'll run the software and we'll start from blank project. Double click on it. So before even doing anything in this program, we go straight to options and make some customization there. So to go to options, you click on File, go down, Options, and there are lots of areas where we can customize our project. So the first thing what we want to do is to make sure that our username and initials are a bit more anonymous. So for this sake, we'll write here in the username whatever is written there in your Microsoft project. You should change it to project manager. Okay, and for initials, write down your student ID. So obviously I don't have student ID, that's why I've just written 007, let's say 0077. Okay, this is from general, and then we move to display, and in display we can see here that there are number of calendars to choose from. Obviously we use Gregorian calendar, so it's fine there. And as a project is going to be undertaken in Uzbekistan, we want to make sure that the currency is going to be Uzbek Sums as well. So here on the currency we'll pick Uzbek Sums, and now as it's written in the Cyrillic alphabet, let's make it in Latin, so Sum. And we'll move on to schedule, and in schedule we want to make sure that our week starts on Monday, so fiscal year starts January, and the start time and end time for our working days is going to be set from 9 in the morning, to 18 o'clock. Okay, so it's gonna be 8 hours, 40 hours a week, 20 days per month. So let's click OK. Now before we start working on our project plan, obviously in our calendar there can be some more changes, or some days that are not going to be a working day. So basically I'm talking about the holidays that we have. So in order to enter these holidays in your calendar, you go to project from the categories here on the ribbon, project. Obviously you see here it's not clickable because we haven't clicked on it here. So we click on task and click on change working time, and basically we have here exceptions. These are the days which are going to be non-working days, and we also have work weeks where we can specify certain weeks or certain days where there will be a different schedule in working hours. So for instance, it could be that on Thursdays in April we will be working 2 hours less. So I suggest we start with exceptions. And so what could be exceptions? Which days are going to be non-working days in addition to our weekends? So obviously the new year is going to be a non-working day, right? So new year is on 1st of January, so check on it. So it starts on 1st of January and then it ends on 1st of January, right? So okay, here we can see now in this calendar the 1st of January is a non-working day. So basically when we'll be planning, this day will be also counted. Okay, so the next holiday that we have is going to be 8th of January, 8th of March, sorry. So for the 8th of March, let's call it International Women's Day, something like that. So also 8th of March is going to be a non-working day. And there are a number of other holidays. I will leave it to you for your project. But what I want to mention here is that here we just set the dates for 2018. But obviously these holidays are going to be repetitive, and this is on annual basis. So to make it work like that, we click on details here for New Year, for instance, and we have a couple of options here, but obviously New Year is recurrent event and is going to be recurring annually, so we click on yearly, and on 1st of January, and let's say it's gonna be occurring for, I don't know, for forever actually, but let's say for 20 years. So now we have the start and finish, two different dates, and we'll do the same for International Women's Day. It's also going to be a yearly occasion, so let's say 20 years. Okay, so obviously there will be lots of more national holidays that we have, and yeah, this is for your own practice. You should probably add up some more dates here. Okay, now we press OK, and we are actually ready to start working on Microsoft project.